So let's see how to replace the serpentine belt from this Mercedes W204. If you remove this first intake hose, you're gonna see the crankshaft pulley, the tensioner. We've got here an idle pulley, AC compressor, power steering pump, another idler pulley, and the alternator down there. And it looks like we've got here the water pump. You're gonna need a 17mm in 12 points to release the tension from the tensioner, which is right here. It looks like this tensioner is quite strong, therefore I don't think it needs replacement. If you want to replace this tensioner, you've got basically two E12s. So it's a good idea to inspect the old belt and see why it was squeaking or why you need to replace it from first place. And if you see, for example, one of these channels missing, that's because you're gonna find a rock in between the channels on one of the pulleys in order to not make the same on the new belt. This is the type and the size of it. We've got here the part number. It's gonna be 2155mm. So it cannot be more or less than that because the tensioner has very little tolerance for different sizes. So it has to be exactly 2155. The belt sits very well on all the pulleys. Okay guys, so that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.